So friend, this is my online network disguise. In these my videos not network course related. So watch my previous video, very important for you understand about network related. So watch previous video in the topic how many types of network and network layer network PAN network, campus layer network, main network, wireless network, VPN network, and after understand about network devices. Okay, so this is a very important for you understand about okay network related and watch a network and internet related information. Okay, so network gateway, how many type of gateway you can see and why important OSI model understand about in a network. Okay, so OSI layer is very important to understand about everything in your computer. Watch very important for OSI 7 layer model. Okay, and you can see data processing, how to transfer your data in your computer, and you can see architecture of OSI one to another side. Time to time, basic model to advanced level type of model created or OSI model. This is a very important for a one, and last my previous video I'm told you about what is a layer of architecture and how sending and receiving file, and what is the basic of communication model in computer, and one to another side the communication transferring file. So today I'm start application layer. This is a 7 layer, but teaching time this is called first layer. So 7 layer, so you can see here you are sending data, so application layer first, but you are receiving data, so this layer 7 number. Okay, so this is a very important for understand about layer of architecture video, very important for you because this is one type of OSI model. Lot of people not understand about how to travel the data in your internet, your mobile, your laptop, desktop, your server, your switch device, network device, router device, any wireless device. So this is a very important for understand about the OSI layer architecture is a very important. So let's and start application related. Okay, so let's start this layer of 7 application layer. So start this video. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
here
friend,
and
this is a
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want the information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video, so you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operating 7, 8, 9, Windows 10.
so friend, this
Every
is a
your operating system you can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related, what is a Windows 7, What is the Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is the 64-bit, what is the 32-bit. So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I
this is my
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So you can see here, this is application layer. Name is application, that means application related created layer. So what is the application layer work for OSI structure? The application layer is OSI closest to end user. This is very important for understand about what is an end user. End user means you are using mobile phone, that is you are end user. You are using computer, that is end user. But what is the middle user and destination user? So that is a one type of different type of category wise. So destination means your Google servers, is that is a destination machine, destination server technology. Middle level type of machine is your router, your switch, your wireless access point, repeater. That is a devices middle type. And end user means you are last your data coming in your computer, in laptop, desktop, Android, any you are using your devices. So OSI layer is the closest to the end user, which means both the OSI application layer and the user interact directly with software application. Without software you cannot create any data. Without program you cannot create any file, folder, any message you want to type. Even you want any typing data, hi, hello, everything, any. So you want applications, okay, and the software. So that is a very important of software application. So just I'm showing you, you can see here next is a mode of system. Understand about this layer interact with software application. This layer create only for software application. The implementing communicating component. Okay. Communicating component means one to another side you want to create your your data, just like you are create a word file, MS Excel file, PDF file. So how this you are created, because you are using any software. Okay, you want to create a PDF file, so you are Adobe Reader file create. You want application open file in Microsoft or Excel. So you want to first open Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Office Office different type of software. Sub application program fall outside the scope of the OSI model. This is very important. Such application program fall outside the scope of the OSI model. That is a very important for every program, every application fall outside scope OSI model. That is a very important for understand about application. So just like you can see, you are in any using the Windows operating system, Linux, Macs, Android, any you are using operating system. Very important to understand about without a software application, without a software, you cannot create any data, you cannot save any data. Okay, so create your data first. Send for sending other devices. So how this possible? Because this application layer is a communicating protocol. Okay, and that is a main created one type of, you can see here, any you are creative, you want to watch video, you are sending, receiving file, folder outside any software, any program through, any you are internet through, you are watching even video, you are watching any any site. So that is a way you want a first application. Without application you cannot show your system. Okay, so application layer functionality typically include identifying communication partner. That is a very interesting about a communicating partner. What is a communicating partner? So suppose your opposite device means any device, your other device send data, and that is a file is JPG means image file. So you cannot open image file in Microsoft Excel, okay, because this is a JPG file. You can open Photoshop, Microsoft Paint, okay. So that is the one type of specific communication on identify, just like MP3, MP4. So you cannot MP3 data open in your Microsoft Word. That is the one type you want any media player. Without any media player you cannot start, okay. So that is the one type of communication partner of your application layer. Determining resource availability. Resources availability means you are watching a YouTube, you are watching a any outside email ID, any site. So without your application not watching, okay, that is the main important part. You are watching Facebook, so without Facebook website application you cannot Facebook start, okay. But it is a even type of ability is a communication, okay. And synchronized communication. Synchronization means your communication with your data. Some data just like a WhatsApp, just like Facebook. Facebook data showing in website in Facebook. Either you can show Facebook data in your Facebook application, but you cannot Facebook data your application, your profile not showing in Instagram, Twitter, any side, okay. Why? Because synchronization communication of application layer. When identify communication partner, the application layer determines the identity and availability communication partner for application with data to transmit. It is a very important understand about the when you identify communication completely, that is your data. So internet lot of available in devices, routers, servers, lot of. But how identify that data? That is your data. So that is identity and availability of communication. One type of it. I will show you how application data transmit and identify of system. So application layer in I'm open, okay, any software just like Notepad or open, okay. So I'm open Notepad. I'm open Notepad and enter. That is a Notepad my, okay. And I'm enter hello, okay. I'm enter hello and I'm going to this save. So look at here, encoding UTF-8. It is a one type of identity you can see. And secondly, identity of TXT format, not PDF format, not Excel format, not Word format. This is TXT format. That is my application layer work. Okay, this is my application layer work. Because application layer without you cannot start understand about application. So I'm click on desktop and going to save, but I'm changing name my simple data. I'm enter simple data. I'm at this type of desktop and going to simple. That is my complete of application layer. But this my file I want to show on another computer. I want to send it on another computer. So how to first going to, you can see this type of binary language code, okay. Computer not understand about text format. What is the URL typing T X E? Computer not understand, because computer only understand binary language code. That is a machine language, and machine language to transfer to human language interpreter. Okay, so any your mobile device is binary system, your computer binary system, your router binary system, any your Wi-Fi signal, your binary system. That is a very important for understand, because computer not understand, any device not understand you are press A button, B button, C button, any button, because all of already fixed in a binary language system here, and that is the application layer. First of enter PDU1. PDU1. Okay, so what is a PDU? I will show you in last previous video. Okay, PDU. So PDU is you can see here hello is my data. Okay, but hello before PDU one type of identity of communication. Okay, so resource availability showing PDU, that is a PDU one type of showing. I'm type hello in txt format file. Okay, because this is one type of data and data transmit application. Okay, so without text software not open any side. Okay, hello file I'm not open in Photoshop. Okay, why? Because this is a text format. I cannot open in media player. Why? Because this is a text format. That is one type of identify communication, identify of your your resource of communication, availability of synchronous communication. So application layer, very important for understand about application detail. So txt pdf file, html css file, php c plus, javascript, dll file, jpg format, etc. Lot of different type. We are using application related working in your system, and one type of different type of communication. So that is a one type of communication partner, resource availability, one type of one to another side your application system. Okay, so what is a PDU? I am already told you, just like again I am showing you. So you can see here this is a protocol data unit, PDU. That is the main important lesson about. So PDU is a protocol data unit, one type of protocol. My protocol enter in application unit. Okay, protocol data unit. This is a PDU. Okay, so application is important for data. You can create a txt, pdf, html, css, word, excel, php, c++, javascript, dll file, jpg, extra, a lot of available extension in your computer. So that is a different type of identity and open your data by application through. That is an application layer. Just like again I'm showing you hello. I have typed hello in my file related. You can see that is my data. Okay, that is my data. But how these PDU enter on computer? Because not directly going to data on the side. First process start PDU. Okay, process that this is a very important for understand about data unit, protocol data unit. Okay, so first application enter on this data, one type of cover PDU1. Okay, so this is application layer showing me application this of using text file. Again I'm showing you, you can see here mail. So you can open any email just like primary, social, promotion inside, and some side showing and some side showing txt file, some other your friend attached file of Microsoft Word, Excel, so you can open directly. How this possible? That is the application layer. That is the application layer support, and after you open your data. Okay, so this is a layer of application layer, just like a Google browser file attached. Okay, that is application layer. So application using any open and write hello. So PDU1 automatically added by OSI layer application, and this that is a real actually your data you can see here. So understand about it, the most important distinction in the application layer is the distinction between application entity and the application. Just like you can see, very important to understand about a lot of Google product. You can see Blogger, Google Plus, Mail, different type of browser, Play Store, APK, Google File Store. How this application layer, working in this system, because different ways of category you can application layers through you can open and you can use it. Okay. Second is very important. For example, reservation website might have two application in there. Okay, one using HTTP communicate with its user. Okay, and one of the remote database protocol record reservation. That is one type of application. Neither of the protocol have anything to do with reservation. Okay, so that is the main important one example. So HTTP communication website, HTTPS is website. So protocol data unit PDU1. Okay, this is one type of PDU1 give OSI. You are using operating system. You are using. So website is working a web browser. Without web browser you cannot open any website. So that is one type of communication protocol in one type of websites of HTTP protocol. Okay, so application layer is in one to another side you can see communication, and one type of you open your website in your web you open the system, just like you can Windows, Linux, and other any website. So application layer you want to understand about, you must open applications for a website. That is the same time give new type of understand about Play Store in your Android device. So what is an Android device? Android is one type of platform created by Google company through, and you can download your any applications files. So how this file transferring in open application? Without application open you cannot download any applications in your Android. So you must open app Play Store. So that is one type of important of application all of category wise Play Store available. So this is again I'm give one type of Skype. So first is Skype is one type of social media platform, and Skype is one type of video calling using one to another side. That is a company created only for different type of chatting, sharing file, and video calling in different type of for meeting creating. So how it is possible? HTTP protocol, FTP protocol, different type of you want first login your website through either you can install software in the computer Skype. Okay, so without Skype open you cannot using a Skype system. So that is one type of application very important for you connect to one to another side. So application layer is one type of showing important how your data you're supporting your computer and any Android devices, any IoT devices. And just is Twitter. Twitter is a one type of communication, tweeting, and message social media platform. That is a one type of one to another side you can communicate. So how it is possible? This is a very important application layer with application entity application, HTTP communication. Without the you are using a user ID and password. That is how you log in, and without user and password you cannot log in Twitter. And how this possible? Because a reservation website. And the second is a database protocol. Okay, so record your reservation, record your one type of your in a website, and how this protocol, how these communicate, because http, https, ftp, ftps, these four type of communicate website to communication protocol. Okay, so you search any website related any information in a Google search engine, just like you are open any like freelancer website and freelancer different type of platform. So Google, how these find and give one type of list of a website. Okay, Google, why? Because Google background is one type of using a search engine. First, how this famous this Google? Google famous only for this reason, because search engine Google first time created, and different type you can find, and using this Google website or different type of listing. So how this you can understand about protocols and have anything reservation. So only reserve a website and some important resources, and communicate with the user. So that is the main of database record in server technology and protocol, and some communicate to user, that is one transfer one to another side. Okay, so it is a one type of listing one to another side. Google search engine, you can see here, this is a one type of Google search engine one to another side. Uh, you can see here, this is a Google is a listing one tab. So top 10 showing in the page Google page inside, you can see here different type of website you can available. So how it is possible? Because you are using a web browser, and Google, that is using a created different type of created in the listing of your system. So that is one type of Google server is a give database through protocol. Okay, and record reserve, this is when it import offer distribute to one to another side of application layer. That is a one type of example for reservation website. We have two application to entities. Okay, so one side application start already in your computer, and second side it start your server side. Okay, so that is a one type of one to one another side your data transferring system communicate. Okay, the logic is in application itself. The application layer per se has no means to determine the availability of resource in the network. So what is the logic in application itself? Showing application layer no means determine availability only. So available data in your story in Google, and maybe not data available, so not showing result in your search engine. Why? Because that topic on not result showing in the Google system. Okay, so resources network is very important for, because this is a related HTTPS protocol related this application Google Chrome, Google website, different type Google operating system in different type of resources. That is our type of using application layer. Without application layer, you can not using any other type of data. Second is a layer, I will show you presentation layer. Okay, so how this presentation layer is important for in OSI model and structure. I will show you next time. So presentation layer, say this sixth layer. Okay, so thanks for watching. I have nice day. Any comments? So you can any questions, so comment me, and click on subscribe, click on bell icon for new notification new in a topic. So presentation layer, how this working, how this layer of using after application layer work presentation layer. So how this process. So I will show you in the next time. Okay, so how this presentation layer working in this network OSI structure. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue presentation layer related everything. So thank you. Have a nice day. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech sketch. In this module you can see here my this online Nettech sketch. This type right and search here, and you can visit here. This is my channel logo and name. So you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, Office and PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses, and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost, and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel, and you can visit very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced. You can learn about computer, okay, and visit one by one my. You can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me, and you maybe like, so this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video.